you can just about buy anything and have it show up at your doorstep the next day. So with power like that, sometimes you end up with some really stupid things. However, in this series, if you're watching this video, it's because I vetted the product and it's worth taking a look into. And to kick the series off, we're going to start with Harbor Freight. If you're not familiar with Harbor Freight, they're a chain of hardware stores that provide people the ability to buy the same tool that you would find anywhere else for about half the price. This one is called Pittsburgh 12/120 volts dual power 120 psi tire inflator with LED light. This one has two ways to power it. You can plug it straight into a wall or into the cigarette lighter you find in your car. And although it is marketed as a tire inflator, you can also inflate balls. Yes, balls. The cool thing about this one that caught my little eye was that you can tell it exactly what PSI you want it to pump to. Once it hits that, it'll stop. In my case, like I said, I put the attachment all the way in and it was kind of, for whatever reason, showing up as 60 PSI and no air was coming out. Aside from that, when you open the box, you will be greeted with the compressor itself, a cool little bag, and two power cables. Like I said, you can plug it right into the wall or into a car cigarette lighter. This little nifty tool also comes with a built-in LED light for those nighttime adventures. And that attachment we talked about has a cool, neat little cubby for it. The screen is very cool. You can press and hold and go up to and lower different PSIs. Once you hit play, it'll start pumping air and it will stop once it hits that desired PSI. So with that said, I won't make this video unnecessarily long. I'll just cut straight to the point. It's a great tool to have. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks. I've used it to inflate my tires, all 4, just to top them off. Hey, hang on. Let me rephrase that. Inflate my tires is what I meant to say. And I've also used it to inflate soccer balls, footballs, not baseballs. Overall, I would give this product a 10 out of 10 for amazingly having everything that anyone could ever need for your air needs. In all seriousness, this is a great product. I would highly recommend it. And any other video as a part of this series is going to be a banger. It's going to be something that you can use, something practical, and if it doesn't make sense, it will not be in this video series. Thank you for watching and listening and for being here. I hope to see you in the next video.